Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap, late night recap, Friday night recap. Hit that thumbs up as you're tuning in, and of course, if you are a new viewer, as you watch throughout the video, consider subscribing to the channel. All right, guys, first announcement. The virtual meetup that I spoke about throughout the week, we're going to postpone to next Saturday at 1 p.m. Why? Well, Relentless Trader didn't do too much of a good job promoting it and, having it marked down and engraved into people's memory. So we'll do that for next Saturday. All right, next Saturday at 1 p.m. And as this next week come, I will be a little bit more firm pushing it. So yeah, that's first. Second, let's jump into this recap. And as you guys can see, I'm rocking some Momo Pro merch. All right, so let's jump into this recap here. We're going to be looking at today's live stream. We have two trades we want to go over, which I do have mapped out down here. Let's take a look. First trade, I'm watching for I'm going to watch for a bit of a panic flush here as this thing comes down quickly after already confirming it's holding up VWAP area. All right, so watch this right here. As this thing flushes down, I'm going to take big size here. I like what I'm seeing. I'm going to throw out some limit orders. I get filled. I'm in 3,000 there at 30. I'm going to add another 3,000. And I'm watching here for a quick bounce. Once again, we've already proven that we're going to hold VWAP. So I like what we're seeing here. But the trade is not going to be the best trade ever because we do not curl back up immediately. Once we get this type of drop, Relentless want to see that quick red to green. Right here, I go up to 9,000. I'm going to see what I'm going to see. I'm watching the tape. I'm going to see something that I like. I'm going up to 12,000. And I want to see this thing rip to the moon. There we go, 12,000. But I'm watching, it's not really moving, so I sell half to reduce risk. And ultimately, this thing does not curl until another 3 minutes. So if we skip ahead, there we go, there's the curl. It's not the quick slingshot that I expected. Once again, we just held VWAP down here. Nice bottoming wick candle. And, right here, we didn't quite come down to VWAP. The lows right here were 26. This just kind of gave a magic wick down with no prices going down there. So anyhows, once we prove that we're holding here and we flush down quick like that, I want to be in for that quick retest. It took a few minutes to get going, and so we ended up missing the trade. What is the risk in this situation? We could see a bigger flush and a drop down at 220, 215. So with that type of size, I'm not looking to hold the trade super long. Next setup. Boom. So we're watching this time stock SI. And here we go. SI, I'm watching now for a 5-minute pullback. So you guys will see I'm taking a lot of pullback trades. In fact, I've been a little bit hesitant on the breakouts ever since the banking crisis. But the breakouts were kind of decent today, so I did miss on some opportunities there. All right, SI, here we go, SI. So we're watching this for a potential double bottom here at 54. I'm going to get long right here at 3,000. And I'm going to be watching for the bounce back up in at 57. Watching. I'm going to sell one for 4 cents. We do get the push here 65. I'm going to sell the other half at 65. And right here, I'm going to wait for an entry to get back in a little lower because it's already extended here. It's now up 10 cents already, close to the highs. Will we give a bit of a drop off? Let's fast forward here. Will we? Okay, we start to get this red candle. And of course, these are all of our setups that we trade in our MMU course that we have examples of, right? So right here, VWAP bounce off the 5. And now we're seeing that bit of a baby pullback, right? This could be a potential 3-bar play if this candle closes red down here. And of course, we look at the high if they break out at 71. But if this candle goes green, I want to be back in. So I'm watching level 2 and watch this. I'm about to get back in. Boom, I'm in. Creating the green. I'm adding. And now can we see the new highs? Boom, over 71 or 73. And your boy is out for quick gains. And so essentially we're flat on the day. Is my broker open? No, my broker's not even open. I think I'm up 137 if I have to be exact. In fact, if we skip ahead, I did take like 3 trades after the live stream, but towards the end of the live stream, we're up about 540 on this stock. We ended up about 505. So 505 less about 360 on the other one. Yeah, about 130, somewhere there. All right, so it was a small green day. We had 5 green days this week, but this was a very tough week as I started down about 500 4 out of the 5 days. It's not great. So next week I'm going to adjust a little bit, and I think I got to get back a little bit more to my basics, which I was doing before the banking crisis, which is to just go with the small size and be more patient. I think I'm right now too eager to push size too fast, too soon. So I need to be patient next week, and once we get confirmation, then get aggressive. Okay, and today we did that, but we still managed to be a little red, so we got to be careful. But all in all, we have to keep the patience, then get assertive, then get aggressive, and then from there ease off once we get our green on the day, protect the gains. All right, a couple more things, of course. Be sure to check out our Discord, which is up top right here. Check out our Discord. This is one of the most active chat rooms and best chat rooms for day trading, as we have, different sections, right? We have an MMU section for all of our students where we can have private conversations and discussions. And down here we have our general trading floor and trading chats where, we're active all day long, man. It's Friday night. Okay, it's a little slow right now. But yeah, so check out our Discord. Once again, the virtual meetup will be next Saturday at 1 p.m. Next Saturday. All right. If you are interested in a day trading course, if you're interested in something that's structured and well organized, be sure to check out Merciless Markets University, which is my day trading course. Marcelo and I, a great trader and a great friend of mine here in the community, teamed up, and we designed an excellent course, guys. We are both six-figure traders, two teachers, two six-figure traders for the price of one. And not only that, with March Madness here, with college basketball, we're having this insane discount, code Madness for 40% off. So be sure to check it out. MMU Gold, MMU Silver. And yeah, you guys can take a look at the curriculum. You don't have to sign up for the classes. You don't have to buy the classes to take a look at the curriculum. Of course, you can't actually go in, but you can see how the chapters are laid out and how they are structured. All right. So yeah, become a member today. Become a member today and know that you can cancel your subscription anytime so that you're not charged again if you don't want to be in after either the quarterly time frame or yearly time frame. Lastly, take a look at Momo Pro if you guys are interested in scanners. This is the scanning software that I use. You guys can take a look on my YouTube channel to see videos going over the platform and layouts that I use. Besides that, yeah, check it out. Code Relentless there for 25% off for 6 months. Guys, it's been RT, and your favorite YouTuber is out of here. I am signing out.